Or mommy's a bitch.
Stop talking about yourself.
Mm-hmm. And who's talking? Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Oh,
Hello.
wow, that is beautiful. I love that breeze. Man, baby boy. Sheesh.
I feel something on my toe. I'm like, I need the light. It's okay. What are you doing?
Hope you eat that. He dropped some on the floor.
Oh my God.